Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will create a manipulation in just 3 minutes. Import the photo and start by creating a new curves adjustment layer to add a bit of exposure in the photo. Next, we will choose the curves adjustment layer and we will select the brush tool by pressing B, and we will set the foreground color as white and we will mask over the coffee in the curve. And we can reduce the brush size and also increase the hardness for precision over the edges. Now go to select and choose select and mask, or you can also press Alt Ctrl and R. It will create a transparent background layer over the photo. Now increase the brush size if needed and remove the mask over the coffee. And you can also repair the edges if overmasked. Now go to properties on the right side, scroll and then click on invert, or you can also press Ctrl plus I. You can see that it has inverted the selection. Now press OK. Next, press Ctrl plus 0 to fit the image on screen. Now we will import some special kind of coffee. Resize and place it over the cup. Now drag down the newly created layer under the first layer. It will hide the unnecessary parts of the photo. Next, create another curves adjustment layer to control the brightness, contrast and color of our wavy coffee. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more.